Hey guys, so today we're gonna cook some corned beef sandwich. Alright, so start off with our corned beef, and I got some onions here cut up already. So let's start with that. Just a little bit of oil. So start with some onions. Too high. Okay. Let's get our corned beef. So this is just canned corned beef, okay? This is a Filipino style corned beef sandwich. This is just a very simple sandwich here. I used to love this when I was younger, back in the Philippines. And you could actually get this in Jollibee here in the States. But in Jollibee they don't have they don't put cheese on it, so but ours we're gonna put some cheese on top of it. Alright, this is almost done. Alright, I think this is about done, guys. Okay, we're gonna set that aside. And then now we're gonna toast our bread. So this is all grain loaf of bread. So that's what we're gonna use today. First, we are gonna put some butter. Okay, let's put some butter on there. I love butter. And make sure your heat's not all the way up. I just put it on medium. We don't want to burn our bread. There we go. Let's get that on there. Alright, so we'll get our bread here. Put it right there. Maybe just a tad bit high. Then now what we're gonna do is put our corned beef. Spread it there. Oops. Perfect. Put a little bit more butter. Love me some butter. Butter around our bread here. Yeah, boy. Alright, let's check this. It's perfect. Okay, guys, so it's perfect. And then now, let's turn on the heat. Now we're gonna put some cheese on top of it. Cheese, cheese, cheese. More cheese. Just using regular cheddar cheese, but you could use whatever cheese you want. And then let's put our mayo top of here. Then just spread it. You don't have to put mayonnaise, but Filipinos put it and makes it taste better. Now I'm gonna flip this. Ooh, that thing is hot, boy. All right. There you go, buddy. Let's just flip it one more time. Just check the other side. Man, look at that. Delicious. Alright, let's get another. Okay, guys, I think we're about done, man. Look at that. Delicious sandwich. So, just gonna cut our sandwich. Got that crispy, man. There you go. Now look at that. It's our sandwich, guys. Delicious, man. All right. So, all right, guys. So that's our sandwich for tonight or today. And if you guys enjoy this video, please like and share and subscribe. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.